firewall, no defense. Promises corrupted me, transferred glass and rain, and silence taught me how waiting breathes. She left with borrowed light, my name in cold storage. I stood inside the breach, still running, still whole. I waited for truth to converge when time observes. Now I see a girl, she is different. The one I found, the girl. The way she walks, the way she stands, every step she takes is quiet truth, no shadow hidden in her hands. My eyes follow every moment, not to possess but to believe. After all the lies I survived, she reminds my heart how to breathe. Daylight, flawless like untouched snow. Almond eyes, soft green fires, holding worlds I long to know. Smoky gray hair, oval face, grace shaped by dignity. She wears chain, come red, dominant flame, seeking cash and a living dream. Entangled attire, her beauty speaks, quiet, ancient, unforgettable. I search for flaws like old habits taught me, but truth stood calm and clear. She guards her soul from a broken world, and nothing false lives here. To love me every night. I allow me to ride when it's real. The shots is born from patient, and this is what I feel. Share us the She is rare, she lives with honor, a woman shaped by self-respect. She protects her light from hollow games, from patterns that the world expects. I followed not with hunger or chains, but with patience pure and true. She is the one I searched for silently, the one my heart already knew.